Fucking right. She will live again. Pulling her out of the snowbank right fucking now. I mean, there's shitty ride quality, and then there's zero ride quality, and it becomes a whole different element of fun. Yeah, moo, yeah. Well, that's where she stays. So it can drive away on its own power. There's no getting away with not finishing this project. I'm gonna fucking trip over it every time I leave my front door. A man from Nantucket. He had a big enough. Well, it's time for round two. There's no sense beating around the bush. Let's just fucking dive right into it. Still flip-flop season, right? Fuck. 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 Access my ass. Wait a minute. Fuck! Fuck, fuck, fuck! 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 So, after tugging on this thing for about 20 fucking minutes, it still won't come out. But there's a fifth motor mount in there. A fifth fucking motor mount. What does this thing make? Fucking 50 horsepower? 30 foot-pounds of torque? Goodness, you wouldn't want this jumping out of here. Fuck me. Ta-da. Easy breezy. What you're gonna need for this DUI project is everything you thought you'd need, but actually didn't need, and still tried to use anyway.